Hi guys, Captain Nick Pavlakis here with MarineMax in St. Petersburg. Next to me today we got an all-new model, a NauticStar 243 DC. Got a lot of boat, a lot to offer in a small package here between the Arch, the 200 horsepower Yamaha, a bunch of other creature comforts inside. Hop on board and let's see what all the hype's about. We're powered back here by a 200 horsepower Yamaha 4-stroke engine, one of the leaders in reliability in the outboard market. Right here we actually have two places that we can tow a tube or a wakeboard from. We've got our water sports post right here, and up top you can tow from the Arch too. Back here we have a tremendous amount of space with all this seating that's gonna be a U-shape, real nice and close together, but still far enough to social distance, of course. Got the Arch up here, which is upgraded, give you plenty of sunshade too. This is what I'm talking about. This is what I love when manufacturers do something that's gonna make everybody happy. We've got a sink right here for your freshwater tank. Wash your hands, do whatever you need to do. You don't find sinks on a lot of boats of this class, but we kind of have our all-together package right here. Follow me up here, I'll bring you to the helm station. Over here we have our dash, we have our nice captain's chair with our ultra luxurious diamond stitch upholstery. It looks really beautiful. And we have the same over here for the co-captain's chair. That brings me to my next point, which is the head, of course. A must for many people, and it's a pretty large head too now that I look at it with the sea deck down inside. This is what I'm talking about up here, people. We have a full bow pad lounging area. The whole family can enjoy it. This is what it's all about. Once again, I'm Captain Nick Pavlakis with MarineMax in St. Petersburg. This is a NauticStar 243 DC. Going to see a lot of these on the water near you, and I look forward to getting you and your family out boating. Bye guys.